How's it going, guys? Wanted to talk to you guys about my holster right here. This is a Bullet Tech holster. It is a Apendix holster. I've tried at least 4 holsters, different brands, and this is the one that worked for me. I am 6'3", 230 pounds, and this holster is very comfortable. Very, very comfortable. Another thing that I like about this holster, it clears the knuckles. This thing is the claw is adjustable, so you could move it to whichever angle you like, and it's a very good holster. I'll talk to you guys a little bit about my weapon. Alright. This is a Glock 43X Gen 5. I usually put flashlights on my weapons, but for this one, I'm gonna keep it slim. The gun is clear. Nothing on the magazine. Nothing on the chamber. So we are good to go. The red dot that I'm currently using is the O-Sight K. What I like about this red dot, it does clear the stock Glock sights. So, that said, you could coat witness while you're using your red dot. Yes, my red dot is dirty. Don't mind it. And the red dot doesn't look that big. It's just how it shows on the camera. Update on the 43X. Yes, it is a little jumpy at first, but you just have to get used to it. And also, remember guys, the 15 round magazines from Glock are coming home. I already pre-ordered 2 from the Glock store. And this bad boy is going to be ready to rock and roll. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what else you guys think I should do to this gun. But for now, this is how it's staying. It is in my rotation now between this and the 19X. But this is far more comfortable. Also, if you guys like to wear gym shorts, this right here is something that I would recommend. This thing clips on to the gym shorts and you don't have to wear a belt. Let me show you guys how you guys can put it on, or how it looks at least on the holster. Yes, this holster is very well made. Good tension. The gun doesn't wobble. And it looks amazing. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this with one hand, guys, but where there's a will, there's a way. So check this out, boys. This right here is how it looks. So you clip this onto your shorts. Clip this onto your shorts. Put this in front of your waistband, and you're ready to rock and roll. Just like that, boys. Let me know what you guys think.